It is nice to meet you again after a long term period, more than 3 or 4 months. So this is Rekha Goswami from Arts College Piladi. As per guidance of university and state government has decided to engage with all of you virtually through online lectures. So these online lectures will support you to understand the syllabus which you will be studied, which you will have studied in your papers. So we will discuss about syllabus. So let's start to discuss about syllabus. First of all, here we will discuss about paper 3. So paper 303. The code number of the paper is 303 and the name of the paper is British Fiction. British Fiction. So the code number of the paper is 303 and the name of the paper is British Fiction. So first of all, the paper contains 4 units. So we will discuss about unit 1. Unit 1 contains 2 points. One is first point is novel as a form of literature. Novel as a form of literature. We have already studied many other forms in our previous semesters, semester 1 and semester 2. So now in semester 3, novel. Novel is mostly wide literature's form. So we will discuss in detail about it in further lectures. So the second point of the unit is different methods of narration. Different methods of narration. So this unit contains 2 points: novel as a form of literature and different methods of narration. Now unit 2. Unit 2 contains only one novel. The name of the novel is Joseph Andrews. Which is written by the novelist Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding is the famous novelist and dramatist of English literature. He is also known as the father of modern English novel. Now unit 3. In unit 3 we will also study one novel, Animal Farm. Animal Farm is written by George Orwell. Animal Farm is a novel. Is also called the Tsar of the Tsar of the novel is a political satire. Animal Farm written by George Orwell. The original name of George Orwell is Eric Arthur Blair. So we will discuss about all the points in detail in further lecture. Now the last unit. The last unit contains acquaintances. Acquaintances means introduction of the novelist. There are few novelists. There are some novelists, greatest novelists of English literature in this session, which will be we will be studied in further lecture. So acquaintances ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો થોડીક માહિતી. અહીંયા કેટલાક અંગ્રેજી સાહિત્યના કેટલાક નવલકથાકારો છે જેમની થોડીક માહિતી, થોડોક પરિચય, જેમના વિશેનો પરિચય આપણે આ acquaintances એટલે કે થોડો પરિચય આપણે આ યુનિટમાં ભણીશું. તો આ જે છે એ આપણા પેપર 303 બ્રિટિશ ફિક્શનનો સિલેબસ છે, જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આના વિશે ડિટેલમાં which we will discuss about it in detail in further lecture. So this is the syllabus of paper 303. So thank you.